city shines in the rain tonight, and every light tells a story. The boulevard is glowing after dark, neon rivers flowing through my heart. The rain paints diamonds on the avenue, every reflection brings me back to you. The skyline rises through the midnight haze, wrapped in silver and electric shades. The world feels endless from behind the wheel, like a dream that's almost real. The night keeps whispering my name through every drop of falling rain. Every road beneath the stars feels like a map to who we are. The lights keep glowing, the city keeps dreaming, and I'm still driving. stops on the rearview mirror. Some memories never fade. The city sleeps beneath the silver glow. The highway hums like a radio. Streetlights stretch across the empty lane, dancing softly through the rain. The skyline disappears behind the mist, like a dream I can't resist. Every mile carries me somewhere new, but somehow back to you. The night is moving way too fast, trying to make forever last. Every light I pass along the way feels like yesterday. Rain on the rearview mirror tonight, washing old memories into light. Every road beneath the sky feels like a reason to keep driving. Rain on the rearview mirror again, falling through the city rain. Every heartbeat, every sign brings another dream to life. Rain on the rearview mirror, still shining through the night. The radio plays a midnight tune, echoing beneath the moon. The rain keeps drawing patterns on the glass, like shadows from the past. The boulevard is glowing blue and gold, with stories waiting to be told. The city breathes beneath electric skies, 1,000 stars in disguise. Every turn wheels arrive, leading deeper into the night. The road unfolds endlessly, like it's calling out to me. Rain on the rearview mirror tonight, washing old memories into light. Every road beneath the sky feels like a reason to keep driving. Rain on the rearview mirror again, falling through the city way. Every road beat, every sign brings another dream to life. Maybe every storm must pass, like reflections on the glass. Maybe every lonely mile leads us somewhere worthwhile. And when the morning starts to rise, I'll remember these city lights, the rain, the roads, the midnight air, and all the moments waiting there. The rain keeps falling, the city keeps glowing, the road keeps rolling painted silver on the streets. The night is moving with a steady beat. The skyline glows beneath the clouds above, a perfect mix of mystery and love. The engine glows beneath the midnight sky, watching neon reflections passing by. Every window shines a different light, telling stories through the night. The world reflections leave their mark. Every street feels like a movie scene, wrapped in colors I've never seen. The city moves beneath electric skies, a million dreams passing by. The rain turns every light to gold, painting stories yet untold. And every mile feels so alive beneath the purple midnight sky. The road unfolds endlessly, like it's waiting there for me. Neon rain on Sunset Avenue, every line reminds me of you. Every shadow starts to glow in places only dreamers know. Neon rain on Sunset Avenue, turning gray skies into blue. Every heartbeat, every sign feels like magic in real time. Oh, neon rain. Take me through the night. The radio is playing something slow, a melody from long ago. The skyline sparkles in the storm, making the cold night feel warm. The traffic fades into the haze, like memories from other days. The city whispers through the rain, calling me back to born. Every streetlight burns so bright, guiding me deeper into the night. Every road beneath the stars feels like home, no matter how far. Neon rain on Sunset Avenue, every light reminds me of you. Every shadow starts to glow in places only dreamers know. Neon rain on Sunset Avenue, turning gray skies into blue. Every heartbeat, every sigh feels like magic in real time. Maybe every rainy night shows us a different kind of light. Maybe every road we choose leads us somewhere we can lose. The city shines beyond the storm, a place where dreamers are reborn. And every mile beneath the sky makes me feel alive. The rain keeps falling, the lights keep calling, the dream keeps moving, and I'm still driving. Neon rain on Sunset Avenue, brighter night avenue. Every dream is still alive, and I need you there to alive. Neon rain on Sunset Avenue, the night is young, the road is new. Every night and every sign makes this moment feel time. After the last streetlight fades, where does the night go? The city's disappearing in my rearview now. The neon glow is fading somehow. The highway stretches into the dark, following the rhythm of my heart. The rain falls softly on the windshield glass, like echoes of a moment that couldn't last. Every mile takes me farther away, but the memories still stay. The stars are hidden by the clouds tonight, but I can still see the light. Somewhere beyond the midnight blue, there's a road leading me to something new. After the last streetlight fades away, I'm still chasing yesterday. Every dream and every sign lives forever in my mind. After the last streetlight glows beyond the roads that nobody knows, every heartbeat, every mile makes this journey feel worthwhile. After the last streetlight, the radio plays a song I've heard before, like a voice knocking on a forgotten door. The city sleeps beneath the rain, but the music keeps calling my name. The moonlight dances on the empty lane, turning loneliness into something strange. Every shadow underneath the sky feels beautiful tonight. And every road beneath the storm somehow makes the darkness warm. Every light I leave behind becomes a piece of time. After the last streetlight fades away, I'm still chasing yesterday. Every dream and every sign lives forever in my mind. After the last streetlight glows beyond the roads that nobody knows, every heartbeat, every mile makes this journey feel worthwhile. Maybe every ending is a start. Maybe every road can heal a heart. Maybe all these rainy nights were leading me toward a different light. And when the dawn begins to rise, I'll remember these city skies, the neon glow, the midnight air, and all the dreams still waiting there. The city's fading, the rain is falling, the road is endless, and I'm still dreaming. After the last streetlight fades away, the music never fades away. Every walk beneath the sky keeps a dream alive. After the last streetlight glows, there's still somewhere left to go. Every heartbeat, every sign leads me through the light. After the last streetlight, the journey goes on. Into the dawn.